Bafowethu umuntu akabingelele bafowethu bese exolisa bafowethu ngokuthi le video le kuma-actions izofakwa i-watermark ngeyizathu bafowethu zokuthi kunama video bafowethu noma kunabantu abareportayo ilabantu bafowethu esesibashuthile bafowethu so bareporta yama video suke siwafaka bese ama video ayavaleka bafowethu so asifisi ukuthi sigcine sesilahlekelwa i-channel ngenxa yokuthi mhlambe silokhu siveza abantu noma silokhu siba expose ukuthi ke abantu abanjani emphakathini so sesocela kakhulu bafethu kwi-watermark bafethu ngalezo izathu nje lezo bafethu sidlulisa kakhulu ukuxolisa bafethu sidlulisa kakhulu bafethu ukuxolisa nathi akuyona intando yethu kodwa manje ngesimo sokuthi i-channel bafowethu isengcupheni enzima kakhulu bafowethu yokuvaleka njengoba nje kade sivaliwe even isonto elilodwa so bafowethu kunzima kakhulu bafowethu sesifike sifaka i-video siphinde siyidelete kwalena nje bafowethu mhlambe make bayivala bafowethu sophinde siyidelete so ubuke kakhulu bafowethu kusanesikhathi.
Sibingelele eNingizimu Afrika, igama lami ngumzwa bafowethu njengoba nazi ukuthi samankenjani guys njengamanje mawuqala ukufika kuleli khasi bafowethu sicela uchofoze subscribe button ungakhohlwa ukulike ukukhomenta ushare futhi ukuze nabanye abantu bawuthole umsebenzi kungabi ukuthi mhlambe uthola uwe kuphela. Siyacela ke guys ukuthi nihambe nathi kuona yonke imisebenzi esiyenzayo niyazi ukuthi imisebenzi esiyisebenzayo ukuthi ibucayi kangakanani kodwa siyacela ke ukuthi wonke umuntu okhona la abe ne-comment yakhe khona nathi sizokwazi ukugqugquzeleka sikhule lapho ekufanele sikhule khona. Kuningi ke bafethu esikwenzayo ningi neyinqushunqushu esihlangana nazo ezinye izinto ke asiyiposti lana ngoba zisuke eyizinkinga kakhulu mhlambe kubona ukuthi hayi cha bekushube ngempela sigcine sesibona ukuthi hayi lokhu kuzolulaza ubani lokhu kuzolulaza ini isithunzi sabani sigcine sesingawupostanga lo msebenzi loyo. Kodwa ke bafowethu into engigqugquzelayo nento engiyithandayo yonke lo msebenzi siwevele sesiwenzile sawuqeda sawuhlula ukuhlula kumsebenzi ukwenze njani ukuthi umuntu esizakale kuleyo nkinga asuke nayo. Njengamanje bafowethu siphethe nanangusisi lana asazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe siyayazi inkinga yakhe ingakanani but inkinga yakhe inomehluko ke kunalezi ezinye ke sijwayele ukuhlangabezana nazo. Siyacela ke bafethu ukuthi nihambe nathi kuyona yonke into esiyenzayo angihambi ngedwa ke njengoba nazi bafethu ngihamba noNgiba masibabiyelisi ngamankentshane bafethu wonke umuntu onenkinga akabhale laphana abhale lapha epagini laZoso ukuthi amankentshane siyacela ukuthi asisize nginenkinga ekanje nakanje ungafeli ngaphakathi ngoba lento leyo kufela ngaphakathi ingagcina mhlambe isikwenza ukuthi uyilengise nangelinye ilanga mhlambe yabo siswami niyaphila.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Sikhona. Igama ubani usisi wakuphi udabukaphuna nawo?
Igama lami nguAzande kwakaXoli Sibongo ngisuka eClermont. Yebo.
Usisi usibhalelile siswami ngiyifundile ke mina yonke into osibhalele yona besicela ukuthi mhlambe utshele nababukeli lapha ukuthi mhlambe ingabe mhlambe inkinga yakho ingakanani ufuna ukusizwa ngani.
Inkinga yami into eyenza ukuthi ngibhalele ipage imankentshane ukuthi bengithi ngithenga ifone. Mangithenga ifone ngirefer umngani wami kulomuntu odayisa amafoni. Mangithi ngithenga le phone lo muntu angaze ngimbone sithenga kuyena ifone. Ngiyamsendela imali uyangithembisa ukuthi uzoyiletha ngimsendela ilocation ngimsendela zonke izinto zami ngimenzele nemali nginawo ama-proof ngimsendela khona imali. Bengithenga i-iPhone 16 kuyena ngigcine ngimkhokhela u12,000. Mangimkhokhela le mali angisamtholi efonini ifoni iyaringa ungiblockile ku TikTok ungiblockile ku Facebook but kuma calls ngisamthola. Manje ingakho nginibhalelile ukuthi icela ningisize ngithola imali yami back cause angisamtholi nefoni ayisekho into angisiza ngayo, ayisekho into angi-update ngayo ukuthi kusaqhubakala ukuthi ngiyayithola ifoni noma ngisayitholi.
Mana-ke sisibuza njengoba uthi ukhokha 12,000 ihlobo lofoni elu 12,000
i-iPhone 16 Pro.
iPhone 16 Pro.
Yeah.
Imalini siyonke leyo mali u-12,000 vele noma kukhona ibalance enye ebisele?
Cha, khona ibalance enye ibisasele.
Ebe umalini lebalance?
Ebe ku-4,000.
Sisebonye kule mali onabo ungayingane esitolo mhlawumbe uye khona ka-iPhone. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngaleyo mali leyo ubunayo buzoyithola i-iPhone esitolo. Yini ekwenze wakhetha ukuhamba uyethenga kumuntu?
Ukuthi khona umngani wami onayo oyithenge kuyena and wayithola yena. Nami benginethemba lokuthi mangiyithenga kuyena ngizoyithola.
Nesiqiniseko sokuthi umngane wakho wayithenga kuyena?
Yeah, nginesiqiniseko ukuthi wayithenga kuyena.
Umngane wakho kwamchazela ngalolu daba lo njengamanje ungasamtholi umuntu akurefe yena kuyena?
Ngimchazelile wathi nayo inkinga ukuthi ngoba akazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi.
So umuntu enihlangane naye online?
Yeah.
So umngane wakho yena wayithola kanjani? Wamlethela noma ukwenzakalani? Wayithola kanjani ifoni?
Umngani wami ifoni uthi wamfakela kuyona ephepha.
Oh, kwaphepha.
Wamfakela ephepha.
Lo daba lolunzima ngoba manje abomuntu mayefaka phepha usho mhlawumbe kungenzeka kuba umuntu okhona la eThekwini, kungenzeka kuba umuntu ongekho, kungenzeka futhi kuba umuntu ongekho wayikhona la South Africa. Ngoba ngiyizwa uthiwa nako China abanye abaningi bayakwazi ukuthumela from eChina.
So lo muntu usisi wami ugcinene nokukhuluma naye?
Ngigcine ngeviki edlule. Mase ngithi ngiyamfonela manje angisamtholi. Iyaringa kuphela.
Wagcina ethini mhlambe inkinga yakhe? Wathi yini inkinga ukuthi angalokho nje?
Wagcina ethe angimsendele imali.
Yeah.
Uzongiphela
u-4,000.
Wathi agcina ethe ngimsendele imali uzoqhubeka sibe sixoxa sikhuluma ukuthi ngithola kanjani ifoni nemali esele ngizoyikhokha kanjani.
So wena wagcina usuhlanganisile ke lo 4,000 usufuna mhlawumbe usufuna ukusenda back yini ngesikhathi usungasamtholi?
Yebo.
Mana sesingifuna ukuthola isivumelwano senu sasithini uzokhokhe u-12,000 isivumelwano senu sasithini wathi mhlambe khipha imali engaka mase nginika ifoni mase sibuya qedela kwenzakala kanjani njengoba uzokhipha u-12 kufika ku-12 ifoni ungayitholi sasithini isivumelwano senu?
Wayithe angile enginayo angimsendele yona le enginayo uzongifakela ngizothi esengifakelile ifoni isingakimi ngizoqhubeka ngizokwazi ukumkhokhela le mali esasele ngakimina because lese ngimsendele yona isiningi usengakhona ukungifakela ifoni.
Yo
uthi sesikahle kahle wena uthenga umuntu ngo-16k?
Yebo.
Kahle wena uthembe umngani wakho wena?
Bengithemba umngani wami ngoba phela ngibone yakhe yafika.
Thembe lo yamuntu ngomngani wakho?
Yebo.
Yo.
Kodwa lo muntu akaza mention ukuthi ukephi nendawo mhlawumbe akaza mhlawumbisele ukuthi ayi mina mhlawumbe ngihlala endaweni ethile.
Cha, uyena wacela ukuthi ngimsendele ilocation ngoba ngenzeka ukuthi ayilethe yena mathupha noma angifakele yona ephepha.
Bafethu. Kodwa sisunesibindi yabo izinto ezikanjalo ngiyazi ziyenzeka yabo.
Anokapha lempenzela.
Kuzophela u3 weeks manje.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
Ublockile.
Ungiblockile ku TikTok because une page ku TikTok. Ungiblockile khona but ngima calls isaringa akasayibambi. Yeah.
Mawuthi uyamzama mhlambe ngenye awazi umzama ngenye ifoni?
Ngeke ngamzama ngenye ifoni ngambhalela ukuthi mina wangiblock.
Hawu.
Ongamele phela uthi wena ngakufanele ukubona ukuthi uziba ngoba ekuziba noma mhlambe
kusho ukuthi uyaqola ngamanye amazwi.
Yeah.
Uthe wamnika kanjani le mali wamfakela?
Yeah, ngamsendela.
Unayo i-account yakhe?
Yeah, nginayo i-account yakhe.
Phela kulula makunjalo. Ubusangangisho amaphoyiseni phela makunjalo. Angithi unayo i-account yakhe izokwazi ukuthi ulithole usizokwazi ukutraceka nayo yonke into. Uke waya amaphoyiseni?
Cha, akaze ngiyi.
Uvele wasuka nje weza ngasisi.
Yebo.
Kodwa kungcono ke mina ngithanda le party le ukuthi unawo ama proof.
Yabo sisebenza ngobufakazi.
Sisebenza ngobufakazi sisebenza nanokuthi mhlawumbe inamba yakhe iyangena yini. ngoba uma inamba ingangeni awunayo iproof awunalutho
sikwazi ukusiza
ngeke sikwenzelele
but njengamanje ngoba uthi unakho konke kulula nanokuthi ngoba inamba iyaringa kulula kuthina sokwazi ukuthi sikusize sikaze sahluleke asikaze
bakhona nabantu hey hello ulimi la
sisilungu
knock
hey knock
hello how are you I'm fine thanks and yourself sorry to enter ring without your permission because we started to knock.
No one answered.
I'm so sorry, no cameras allowed. What is the SIM connection with?
Oh, we're looking for Ryan.
No cameras allowed, sir, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we're using the cameras, working with the cameras. So now we're looking for Ryan. We got something for Ryan.
I don't know who you're talking about, number one. Number two, this is not my home. This is where I live, and they're not going to be happy with what you're doing. Can you please put that away?
No, Mama. Can you please just find us?
You're not
Ryan.
understanding.
Do you know Ryan?
Do you know Ryan?
I do not know Ryan.
Ma'am, we're looking for Ryan. We're looking for Ryan right now.
Can you please put the camera away?
Please, we're looking for Ryan.
not-
Why are you fighting
Do
now?
not.
Why are you fighting?
Ma'am,
not
we're looking
touch
for
me.
Ryan here. We got something for Ryan.
I just told you, there's no Ryan that stays here. Can you please put
Ma'am,
that camera?
please,
Madam.
please.
You're gonna make me lose my cool,
we got it-
guys.
we got
You're gonna
his
make me
address.
lose my cool.
We got this address here. Ryan stays here.
There is
looking
no
for Ryan.
Ryan.
Ma'am,
There's
why are
no
you fighting if
Ryan.
there's no Ryan? Why are you
Can you
fighting
put
if
that
there's no
camera
Ryan?
fighting?
off,
Why are you
please?
fighting if there's no Ryan?
Please, can you get rid of that camera?
Why are you fighting if there's no Ryan?
Can you please get rid
Ma'am,
of that
calm
camera?
Why are you fighting if
Calm
you don't know
down.
You
Ryan?
can talk to me
Calm
without
down,
the
calm
camera.
down, ma'am.
Do you know Ryan?
No, I don't.
Switch off the camera.
Why are you
Tell us.
fighting? Why are you fighting? Why are you fighting?
We're looking for Ryan.
Please,
Why are
can
you
you
fighting?
get out? Please get out.
No, we won't get out.
Please, can you get out?
We won't get out, ma'am.
There's no Ryan.
We're looking for Ryan.
There's no Ryan.
This is the address. This is where Ryan stays.
There is
But
no
the thing is, the
Ryan.
address is
This is where Ryan stays.
You got the wrong
So-
address.
wrong address.
There's about 3 families here and there's no Ryan.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, how many people are staying
Can
here?
you please put
Ma'am,
the camera?
No, ma'am, please. How many
Why are
people
you
are staying
fighting?
here? How many people
Why
are
are you
staying
Can
here?
you
fighting?
please put that
Why
camera?
you
How many
fighting?
people are staying here?
3 families.
3 families.
Yes.
Where's the other family?
Where's the rest of the people? Where's the rest of the people?
Right, well, what's this?
Get out! Get out of our yard, please.
Don't do that.
Get
Don't
out of
do
our
that.
yard. I said out.
Don't do that.
We're talking
I
to
said
you.
We're looking for
out.
Ryan here.
We're talking to
Can you
nicely.
please leave?
We're looking for Ryan here.
Can you please leave?
No, Ryan.
There's no Ryan,
Ryan.
here. Get out.
Ma'am, don't do that.
There is no
Ryan.
Ryan here.
Don't do that. Hey.
Can you please get out?
No.
Please leave.
Ryan,
Please, can you
we're
leave?
looking for Ryan here.
Please
We won't
put that camera off.
We won't put it away. And, not unless you tell us the truth. Who's Ryan?
Out. Out.
Ma'am, go.
Why are you fighting?
Where Ryan?
Get the fuck out.
Ryan.
Why are you fighting?
Get. Don't hold me like
Why are you fighting?
Do not hold me like
I don't want to hold you like this.
hold me
I don't want to.
Ryan.
Just because
You're,
you
in
are
my
fighting.
yard.
You fighting.
Yeah, so in yard, we're looking for Ryan. Where's Ryan?
Stop fighting.
get
Is anyone else around in this house?
There is no Ryan.
Who
Can
else
you
is
please
inside?
get out?
Who else is inside?
Get out. You do not have
Who else is inside here?
Hey, in, first, in. Hey, watch your lunch here. Go away from here. I'll call the police. Hey, go away from here. Go away from here. I'll call the police. Watch your lunch from me. Watch your lunch from me. Watch your lunch from me. Watch your lunch from me.
money.
What money? What are you talking about?
Wait.
Hey, Ubawe.
You Ryan.
Almazo, sis.
When Ryan?
Hey, boy.
Now there's Ryan now. There's Ryan now.
When Ryan?
What
You are Ryan,
are
is
they
it?
talking
Yes,
about?
I'm Ryan.
You Ryan. Do you know this lady?
I don't know this lady.
Why you
I don't know this lady.
Why you were running away?
Wait.
Huh?
What this lady want
What
from me?
for?
What this lady want from me?
Why are you running away?
Talking about?
Okay.
Hey, so this is-
Ryan, what the fuck
know
are you
she's
talking
going.
about?
Wait.
What is she talking about?
Do you know this lady?
I don't know this lady. I'm Maz, no, I'm Maz.
You don't know this lady?
I'm Maz.
Okay.
Ryan.
Okay.
Ryan.
Okay.
Oh,
wait.
you know Ryan
You
now.
know Ryan now. You're
Ryan.
making us
You know
fools.
Ryan now.
You're making us fools now.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know.
Ryan was will never do
Me, I'm a church boy. What are you talking about?
Yes. Why are you denying?
Wait.
Why are you denying?
no right to come into my gate with no
Okay. I don't know.
Wait. You don't know this lady.
I don't know this lady. That's the first time I've seen this lady.
What money? Wait.
I want my money.
Wait. Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
Yeah.
Which other number are you using?
Yeah.
Which other number are you using? This is your number.
No, this is not my number, but
Ryan.
this lady is lying. I don't know this lady.
No, it's not me.
Don't make us
I'll
fools.
send you money.
We are not
Don't
playing
make
yet.
us fools.
Please, we are not playing yet.
Don't make
I
us
don't know
fools.
this lady.
Don't make
She's
us
lying
fools.
to me.
Ryan, you're scamming
Where's your other phone?
I've never
Where's your other
ever
phone?
scammed people.
Where's your other phone?
Yeah, now.
Where's your other phone?
You
I
are
don't have
Ryan.
my phone.
Yeah.
Where's it? Where's it?
I only have this phone.
Where's your other phone, Ryan? I'm gonna ask you again. Where's your other phone?
It's only this phone I
Not
have.
selling iPhones.
Don't make me do this. Where's your other phone? Where's your other phone that you're using to scam
Yes,
iPhone?
you
such
know
a thing that
me.
you'll accuse
Where's
me
your other
of.
phone that you're using to scam people?
Boost now.
You will never.
Ryan,
Lady is lying.
This
This is the first time that I know
Where's your
lady.
other phone?
is a church boy.
No.
Church phone.
Okay, let me go to
boy.
my phone.
Ryan,
You got another phone now.
what is going
You
on
got another
here?
phone now.
What's this?
You got another phone now.
Okay.
But why this lady is doing this
You
to me?
got
I don't
another
know
phone
this
now.
lady.
You know me well.
You got another phone
You know
now.
me well. You took my number.
Okay,
not to-
show
not
us
to-
this
Ryan,
in
is-
This is the first time I'm seeing this lady.
Imala, we come inside to fetch another phone. You got another phone.
Is this true, Ryan?
Yes.
You got another phone. You don't know. You said you don't have another
Hey,
phone.
serious, Papa. I don't have.
Okay, wait. Let me try and call again. Let me try and call again. You said you don't know.
Whenever this shit happens, get out my house,
You don't have
please.
time for this.
Where's your phone, Ryan?
Whose phone is this? Your phone, this? Where's your brother's phone? Another phone that you got?
Ryan,
It's ringing.
Yes,
Where?
it's ringing, yeah.
There's there.
Whose phone is that, Ryan?
Ah, bro.
Go fetch your phone.
Go fetch your
that-
phone.
No, that is the office phone, Papa.
Office phone?
Office phone.
Which phone?
No, this is the office phone.
Which office?
Ryan, what the fuck is
No,
going
this is
on,
our office
Ryan?
phone.
This is the phone that you used to
No,
scam.
this is my phone, but I'm using this phone.
Oh, you're using this phone to
But this is our office phone. This is the office phone.
Come here.
This is
You
the
said you don't
office
have a
phone.
phone. No. You said you don't have a phone, right?
I do have a phone, but this is my office phone. Papa. Hey, what money you talking about? I don't know you know money. Wait, my phone.
Yeah.
Is this what you're doing? Is this what you're doing? Is this what you're doing? Yeah? Hey, come up. Come up.
Why you scam the lady?
Why are you scamming?
Why you scam the lady?
No,
Why you scam the lady?
let me explain the story.
How many people did you scam? How many people did you scam, man?
Why is
Explain fucking this lady. How many people did you scam?
I said I'm sorry.
How many people did you scam?
I said I'm sorry.
Okay. Wait.
Phone the police. Phone the police. Phone the police.
Phone the police.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
you tell the truth.
Yeah. What's happened?
Okay.
What's happened?
Okay.
What's
Okay.
happened?
Listen the truth.
I was waiting.
Okay. Yeah.
I was still waiting for the stock to come. The stock was going to come.
When?
You are still
When?
lying.
No, wait. Wait.
You
Yeah.
fucking
You are
stole
still
it.
the phone is on the way. Her phone is on the way, Bafo. It's on the way. It's still coming.
Brian, you fucking stole it.
You're scamming people. How many people did you scam?
You see now?
It's coming. How many people did you scam?
It's coming.
How many people did you scam?
It's only this lady, I'm sorry.
Only
It's
this
only
lady.
this lady.
Don't lie.
I've never scammed
Don't lie,
other people.
Don't lie.
Fucking
Don't lie.
It's my first time to
Ryan.
invest in you.
Ryan, don't lie. How many people did you scam?
It's my first time.
How much you scammed the lady? How much? How much you scammed the
It
lady?
was 12,000 for an iPhone. I'm sorry.
Do you have that 12,000?
Can you pay back the
I don't
money?
have it.
Can you pay back the money?
You're gonna pay. You're
Can you
gonna
pay
pay.
back the money?
No, you're gonna pay now.
4,000.
You only have 4,000. I'm gonna pay that money next time. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police, please. Call the police.
Call the police. Call the police.
Police, you can call the police. Police.
Ryan.
It was a mistake. I'm sorry. That police officer.
Iphi mali?
How you gonna pay back the money?
So cocky mali officer. That police officer.
Uzoyikhokha kanjani? Uzoyikhokha kanjani mama?
I said I only have 4,000 rand in my account. I'm gonna pay you by next week. Next week I'll give you more money. I'll give you more money next week. I'll give you more
I'm
money.
calling the cops. Put him down.
Call the cops. Call the cops.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Hey, kusekwe.
Leave him alone.
Kusekwe.
How you gonna pay back the money? How you gonna pay back the money?
When you gonna pay back the money?
How you gonna pay back the money?
Please.
Fonela amaphoyisa wami. Hey baba khuluma.
Pay back the money.
I'm gonna pay the money.
When we need.
I'll give you 4,000 rand now and I'll give you the other money next week. I'm working. I'll pay you.
Why are you scamming people?
Why are you
scamming people?
Transfer the money.
Why are you scamming people?
Transfer the money now. Transfer the money now.
Transfer the money now.
Okay. I can send it to you now. Please,
You got his account, right? You got the account.
see, you even damaged my phone. Look at
the
my phone.
account.
It's even
You got
cracked.
the account.
Look at my phone. You even
You got
damaged
the
my
account,
phone.
right? You got the account, right?
Don't worry, Carl. The police are on the way.
Yeah, we wait for the police. We don't care for the police. You're telling us for the police. What does
You were denying.
You said
My brother does no such thing.
No.
Please telling us that you don't know you don't have a brother, but now you lying.
You come dressed the way you're dressed. You're trying to arrest my brother. There's a way of doing things. You don't have to do all this. How are you doing it?
Right under the nose.
Fine, I didn't know he's
Right under the nose.
You know what is up to.
You stealing the money.
Brian, can you see
I'm sending you the money. I'm sending you the money. What are you doing?
It's my brother. I
sending you the
can
money.
Can you see what shame you're bringing into our business?
I'm sending them. I won't run away. I won't run away. I won't run away. I won't run away. Yeah.
Send her the money.
Yeah, there's a file
You
first.
should get his
Yeah.
money.
Send
Send her the money.
Telling us about 4,000. What you gonna do with 4,000 out of 12,000?
Send the money
I only
now.
have 4,000 in my account.
Send it.
4,000.
You must send it and you must pay it.
You'll get the rest.
Send the money, bro. Send the money, bro. We don't have time.
I don't know what fucking shit you got going on in your head. Yeah? What's this?
We don't have time,
Okay.
bro.
What the fuck is this, Ryan?
Since her
You
4,000.
reflect.
Since her 4,000.
Young guy. We're writing out of
Well, we're gonna pay the rest of the money.
I'm gonna pay you by the mountain. By the mountain. By the mountain.
Come here.
No, please, I'm not.
Come here.
Please, my phone.
When you gonna pay?
Okay,
How you gonna pay back? How you gonna pay
When
back?
you gonna pay back
I'm
the money?
telling you,
How much you gonna pay every month?
I'll pay another 2,000 rand.
2,000
Yes.
out of
When
12,000.
are you playing?
Oh, please, my phone.
You're playing
Don't
games,
do
eh?
that to me, my phone.
You're playing games, eh?
You deserve it.
I Hey, please, before.
You playing games, eh?
You thinking, Ryan?
Please. I'm begging you, before.
If you don't pay back the money, we're gonna come back for you. Yes. If you don't pay back the money, we're gonna come back for you.
I promise.
Don't scare us about the police. We don't care about the police.
As long as you're rough handling him, I will scare you about that.
Don't scare us about the police. I'll do whatever I want. I'll do whatever I want. I'll do whatever I want. I'll do whatever I
You don't
want.
have the right to hit me, my man. You don't have the right to hit me. You don't have the right to hit me.
Who you telling me?
You don't have the right to hit me. You don't have the right. You call the police. You're trailing us. You know why?
You're pointing me. You're pointing me. Wafethu. Sis, ngazi manje uhappy at least ikhona imali yakhe ebuyayo.
Yeah.
Uzoyithola imali yakhe iphelele.
Yeah. Usho kanjani
Please, ma'am.
ukuthi
Please
imali yami yonke? Ngiyajabula, ngiyajabula ngenzele khona.
The people that need to for a million in my yard. Y'all get the fuck
Imali
out.
usisifethu uyithola
You the one who needs to be.
enye
This is my
bafethu
house.
uzathi
Why
uzoyikhokha. Mina
do you
ngayikhokhi.
think get out? Get
Mina
out.
ngayikhokhi imali
Get
sizobuya.
out.
Siyathembisa
Get
lapha
out.
sizobuya. Mina nginikeze le
You
mali
must
khona
go.
inyanga.
This is
Sizobuya
my
futhi.
home. This is my home. Y'all get out.
Okay.
La makhalathi. Niqola abantu ni.
Bayiqola abantu la.
Niqola abantu ni.
Sambeni, my sister. Uzizwa unjani ke?
Ngijabule kakhulu ngenzele khona. Nathi imali yami ngiyaqala ngiyayithola uyathembisa futhi nokuthi enye ngizoyithola esikhathini masilandela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngenzele khona.
Alright. Sambeni.